I would say it's learning in the flow of work, yes. Yeah, so the challenges that we were facing with Salesforce implementation was that primarily it was obviously new to our organization a few years ago when I began, and so we needed to get our entire sales team trained up. And there's only two administrators, basically 1.5 administrators, as I like to say, because one of us is just part-time in the role. So it's a lot of support that needs to be done of an entire field sales team among 1.5 persons. There are approximately 120 users, sales users, in the system. And they're all primarily field sales reps. So we're spread across Canada, which is a big country, and getting face to face with all of them nearly impossible. So we needed tools to better facilitate learning and adoption of all the changes that we were making to our instance and all the new features that we were implementing. And I had heard about Whatfix through a very simple implementation that Cardinal had done. So when we needed a solution for our Salesforce platform, it came to mind. I spoke to the team here, and it was actually the fastest implementation I've ever been a part of. I think it only took us a week to get it up and running, so that was great. But a lot of people learn by doing and not by listening, right? So it's only when they're doing the action that they will learn, and they need to get it done properly and correctly, and then they're off and running. So that's the problem that it solves for us, that I don't need to be there standing over every sales rep's shoulder when it comes time to actually do the action. Whatfix, as we built it, takes care of that for me. I like that I don't have to be a developer to build the flows. I like how quick it is to build the flows. So it's how quickly Whatfix adds new features and products. As a product owner myself, I know how challenging it is to do that stuff. It's one of the few FAQ pages that I visit regularly to see what's cool and new in there, because there's always new stuff. For them, it's just part of the system. They expect the answers to be there now. If I ever didn't have Whatfix, there would be very confused people on the sales team. But because of how it's a seamless integration with Salesforce, I'd never gone through and explained to them that it's separate. I would not want to go back to doing it without Whatfix.